Welcome to the video on the Visitor Management app. With this app, you can create, schedule and cancel visitor appointments. You can also edit fields, change labels and perform security checks by identifying visitors' devices, materials carried and other details. This is the Visitor Management Biz app dashboard. On the dashboard, the number of checked-in, scheduled and checked-out visitors can be seen. Let us go through an overview of each section of the dashboard. Before we explore the Capture Data section, let us understand how to use the Settings section to configure fields in the Capture Data screen. In this screen, the user can configure or add attributes in sections which will be displayed in the Capture Data screen. We can also hide, show, add or delete any attributes, as per user requirements. This screen has 3 sections to configure labels, such as Visitee Details, that is, who the visitor is going to meet, Visitor Information, and Material Details. You can also specify the search fields that will appear in the search bar. In this screen, a gate path for the organization can also be designed. Once the details are entered, the user needs to click Save. Now, let us explore the Capture Data section. This section is for creating records on the application for visitors of an organization. There are 3 sections in the Capture Data screen to capture visitor details, such as whom to meet, visitor information and device or material details carried by the visitor. Clicking the Whom to Meet section will allow the user to record the purpose of visit details such as the type of visit, relation details, contact number, etc. The type of visit can be entered as family, interview, meeting, vendor or other. The Visitor Information section is for recording visitor details such as first name, last name, phone number, address, etc. If the visitor is accompanied by another visitor, the accompanied visitor's details can also be captured from this section by entering their names and phone number. The visitor's photo can also be captured by clicking Take Photo. Clicking on the Device or Materials section allows the user to enter storage or material details, challenge number, validity period, etc. Once all the required details are filled in, the admin can either choose to print the pass for the visitor, save the details or generate a QR code. The user can click Home to go back to the dashboard. The Manage Visitors section allows the user to view, edit or delete details already registered about visitors as well as their checked-in status. From here, you can change the status of visitors from checked in to checked out. The user can also blacklist any visitor from entering into a premise through this screen. The Reports section shows graphical representations and trends of incoming visitors. This screen shows graphs with total number of visitors and their types of visit. It also represents visitor records from the last 30 days. This data can be filtered out by the search filter provided on the screen. The Configure App section is used to edit the header and footer details of screens. In this section, header details can be altered if required, including header image and header text. Footer details can also be changed. Once the details are entered, the user can click Save to save the changes. The user can also choose whether to use the default settings. With this, we have completed exploring all sections of the Visitor Management app. Thank you for watching.